Hey guys, what's happening? How to sync Huawei Health with GoogleFit. To sync Huawei Health with GoogleFit, use a third-party app like Health Sync as a bridge, since direct sync is limited or gone. Setting Huawei Health as the source. So I'm gonna open up the Health Sync. If I wanted to sync my information and everything, I'm gonna select I'm gonna press on the screen, and it says right here you can sync Apple Health, Coral's Fitbit, Garmin Connect, and of course Huawei Health Kit. And then what you're gonna do is just go ahead and turn on the Huawei Health Kit as the source, and GoogleFit of course as the destination within Health Sync, ensuring permissions are granted and disabling activity tracking in GoogleFit to avoid conflict, which I already did when you set up your own GoogleFit account, while also checking the Huawei Health app for its own data sharing settings for basic links, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.